This is my Axial SCX10 Deadbolt, and I've been upgrading it over the time I've had it. And one thing you notice is that it's got a snorkel accessory there. Don't mind it's a bit that's sticking out because I haven't glued that properly. And also, sorry, I got a my driver there has a head which I painted, and it's the stock one, but I just painted it. And look, there's a steering wheel there. And then I have sleeping bag there, which I made myself. And yeah. By the way, these are light buckets which I've installed in, and tried the best I can to fix them in place, but they're just like that. Yeah, guys, so I'm using the stock transmitter, which is the AX3 transmitter, and this uses some Maxxis Trapidor tires on Walker E-Vans. I've also added plastic toe loops which I attached on with just screws, and they're Phillips. Gotta get that to focus right. Oh well, I can't do anything about that. And then now this is me taking off the hood. Sorry, just give me a second. Sorry, just give me a second. This is how it looks like inside. I got the stock servo in there, which is 151 ounces of torque, I think. I've installed some axial aluminum steering links. It gives me more responsive steering, left and right. And as you notice, I've got small extenders there on the wheels on all four sides, and got light lenses, but I'm planning to put an LED light kit in here, but gotta save up for that. Got the A5 ESC, which I set it to like I think it was 100% drag brake stock, and I've moved the switch from where it used to be here to here, and this is a 3 racing transmission case that I got off the internet, off eBay, and I upgraded this because my stock plastic one's threads for mounting it wore out, and yeah, that's the battery I use for most of my cars, because I don't have a lot of batteries, and this is my only personal one, which is a 5,000 milliamp hour redback racing ESC. Sorry. And what else? Another thing you'll notice is that it's lifted. What I did is that I used the stock shock towers and drilled holes into them, and so now they're like that on both sides. Sorry, hold on. Yeah, I think this is an okay idea because it gives me more clearance, and plus I notice a tiny bit of articulation, even though that's what it was normally, I think. And I got this idea from RC Sparks, where he put a piece of garment over his motor, and I did it to mine too because I want to keep this 27 motor protected, because I've accidentally driven this into a saltwater pool before and it broke it, because the salt water is quite conductive. Don't try this. Yeah, that's there because it's to keep this stuck over it like that. But yeah, this is a stock 27 turn axial motor. Fidgety. And yeah, I kept the stock bumper up there, and yeah. Hey guys, this is all stock underneath. I'm planning on replacing the bottom links with aluminium ones, and then these are wild bore HD drive shafts, which the stock one comes with. And these are stainless screws, stainless steel, because they're machine screws of different lengths. And sorry, don't judge this for how it is, but yeah, I've been driving it for a while, and I think it lasts me some time because I like this car, and yeah, it's my first SCX10. But my actual first car that got me into four-wheel drive rock crawling was AX10 Ridgecrest, which rocks, and it looks pretty cool now. And so yeah, this is my stock SCX10 Deadbolt. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. This is RC Gaming Madness, and check that out, RC Sparks. And thank you guys. Please like and subscribe below. This is RC Gaming Madness, and we're done for. Oh yeah, this is my man cave around here, and I've used all the boxes to do all this. It's pretty cool. It's gonna turn out for the better eventually, but it's just time and progress it takes, guys. Time and progress. Oh yeah, this is my stepfather's car. It's the SCX10 Honcho. It's not mine. And he's got way more upgraded stuff than I do on it. But yeah, yeah, this is my Deadbolt, and see